to share some of my thoughts on how education and employment are shaping migration trends in India. Migration, in simple terms, means moving from one place to another for better opportunities. In India, millions of Indians leave their hometowns, whether it is moving from villages to cities or across the border. But why is this happening? It all begins with the education, because in India, the young students believe education as a key to improving their lives. But the access to quality schools and education is very limited in rural areas. That's why all these students are forced to move to urban areas for their education. And some urban cities like as the Delhi, Bangalore and Mumbai often attract these students because of their well-known universities and colleges. And once the education is completed, the next challenge is finding a job. The most highly paying jobs in fields like as IT, engineering and business are more concentrated in cities, and these cities not just offer high salaries but also promise high standards of living. That's why, and also they grow the opportunities for career growth. That's why all the students or young professionals prefer to stay in urban areas after completing their studies. Meanwhile, this migration trend doesn't end within India. Many skilled professionals, especially those associated with IT, engineering and business, prefer to go to foreign countries. Countries like as the Australia, USA and Canada often attract these students because they offer high salaries and also high standards of living. And the promise of living a better life is what that attracts all these students towards these countries. Meanwhile, migration opens opportunities for career growth, but it can also create some problems. Cities become overcrowded and the housing rates rise in these cities. The government has taken some initiatives in improving the facilities related to education and employment so that people can try their best in anywhere, no matter they live, so that the rate of or the need of migration also reduce. Thank you so much.